Hello. This is, yeah. It is going to be a thing. Not sure how long, but it is going to be some coding. Let's switch to make it so you guys can see stuff. Okay, cool. So, we are going to be working on the Discord handler for the bot. Or for a bot. Not the bot, because I have more than one. I need to get this open so I can see the previous systems that I had. Because I don't remember how I was connecting. Oh god, that's a Bright website. This repository. Yeah, you guys can see this. Source. So we are working on the Discord one. We pretty much just want to copy paste this for the general part of it, but not quite, because we are changing the structure of how the bot loads and is ran, so that means we get to adjust how it's working. Cool. So that's a lot of stuff right there. So this needs to be, my mic's in my way of seeing my code. That's never useful. Import star as Eris from Eris. If I could type that. So we can get rid of that. Eris is not constructible. Oh joy. Let's see if commenting that out and going const Eris equals require Eris fixes that. Yes, it does. Okay. So we need the config, so we will go const. Hey, chicken, how are you tonight? Or today. I don't know what time zone you're in, so. How are you this time zone, I guess? Then the config will be of type config. Then we will load the config. Doesn't need any parameters. And we are going to... Oh no, I don't remember what I put as the token. Sorry about the blindingness right now. It's just after 7 p.m. here. Okay, cool. I am doing very good. I got most of my English essay written, which is why I'm taking a short break to do this. Right now I'm just looking at some secret stuff, which you can't see because it would be a security risk. So, okay, so it's just dev_token. Cool. Otherwise I very much would have shown you guys my config, but it would allow access to pretty much all of the accounts I have, so I'm like, nope, that's not happening. Discord options, that would be because I haven't updated the type yet. It will be in the config. Discord options, it will be dev token, and it's a string. That's just the command handler. Yeah, thank you. It's kind of due on Tuesday, so yeah, doing that this weekend. We don't. Do we want to alert it? No. Right now I don't care if it alerts it. Though, to do, maybe send connection message to Discord webhook, if I could type. How's your well today? Did you do anything fun with your weekend, or? I think it's Thanksgiving in the US, right? Maybe? I don't remember. I think it is this weekend? Or is that next weekend? I promise I know all of the US holidays off the top of my head. Next week is Thanksgiving here. Okay, so it's like on Thursday. Okay, cool. That makes sense. Okay, that is good to know. That makes sense why there's no Resonum stream next week then. Ray! Hello? All of this should still work. This needs to test false. This should... What are the things I need for the command handler? I forgot what I put as the arguments. Let me try that again. Chicken! You're still on the Resonum account. Hey, Resonum, possibly Ray. Oh, my. I definitely think that's right at this point. Oh, I should have the dashboard open so I can see, like, other stuff. Oh, that is a thing. Oh, thanks for that follow, chicken. I just saw that. There we go, Ray. Good job. Like a solid good job out of good job. Wow, I'm Ammod. Yes, you are. And thank you for following. 'Cause I'm... Yeah. Oh wait, that's the wrong function. Oh god. F11. The power. I mean, there's... Are we? Yes, we are. Currently I'm working on the Discord handler for it. So this is just the Discord code for it. And if I zoom out, I can make the code completely unreadable. And you can see more of it. Let's reset the zooms though and increase it 1 just to make sure you guys can see it. Yes. Wow, awesome. We hate reading. Yeah, I'm illiterate. I can't read. Yeah, so this is all of the stuff we're checking for before we actually, like, run any commands. So this is making sure that it's, like, a message actually, like, typed message, and then not, like, someone joined the server, not, like, messages like that. This is making sure it was sent in a text channel, not a DM, because direct messages break a lot of things. So this just errors it. It doesn't say anything, it just ignores it. This makes sure that it's not a bot sending the message. This ensures it's not a different kind of bot sending the message. Then this makes sure that the message actually starts with the prefix, so it would be like that rather than that. Most of this code is pretty much the same as the previous code. I don't like this. I don't like it. So what this is doing is, if we break it down, that's the end of that one. So it's filtering the user's roles in the server based off of the roles in our config. I can't show you guys the config though, because otherwise it's a security vulnerability for the bot and my accounts. And then it checks to see if it has the member role in it, and if so, it returns the boolean, which is true false. Then it checks to see if there's at least one or more roles which match, because that's the only way to do mod checking, like moderator checking in Discord, because it's complicated. So like what I did is I had to go and grab the moderator and host role IDs and then add them to this, like the config, to be able to check to see if it would work. That's 76 characters. Okay, that looks pretty good. This is honestly all over my head. Most of this is like just a lot of brute forcing everything. Like this is really gross, and I don't like how it works, because this checks redundantly. So actually, what I might do is go utils, new file, perms, I don't have the thing there. Okay. We will go and go class Discord. Oh, that's why it wasn't working, because I forgot to include the file extension. Rename. And don't feel bad, chicken. This is over probably a lot of people's heads right now. Class, Discord. Actually, no, I don't want that to be a class. I want export const Discord mod. Then it will take a role, which will be a... Oh, hello, scientist. Thank you for that follow. Which will take a list of strings and return a boolean. I like kind of get it. It's been a hot minute since I actually coded. Yeah, this is... Yeah. It can do that. So we need to let the config follow for same VS Code theme choices. I appreciate that. Having a nice VS Code theme is always key to, like, get coding. Like, without the theme, it's gross. Let config. I have one more Java class before I finish my minor, but, like, I don't remember any Java stuffs. Yeah, Java is, yeah. That's a fun time. I haven't done much Java, but the little that I have done, it's like, do I have to? We will go and load the config. Don't want a string there. And then we will go for role and roles. We want this to be declared because I haven't declared it yet. If config dot discord dot mod roles dot includes. I also realize that I'm doing wrong syntax right now, but I'm just gonna ignore it right now. We'll need to highlight this, put brackets around it, and then we can return true, if I could type true. Return false. So what this is gonna do is just check if a role from the user's roles, which we give it, exists in the roles of moderators. Because that's the best we can do, and it cleans this up. So this will now just become, if we surround that in brackets, it will become Discord mod, which cannot find name Discord mod. Probably because I didn't import it. Import Discord mod from the utils. Sorry if I missed any messages doing this. Perms. Cool. So that's that. So how was your day, scientist? If you are still around and wanting to chat, if you're wanting to lurk, that's also fine. Oh, and how was your day, Ray? I don't think I asked that, because I think we were busy panicking about using the wrong account multiple times. Why am I? Oh, right, I do need to do that, because the message can be unset. Was good. Did chores, drank beer, quite exceptional. Well, I'm glad you had a good day. It is always nice to have a good weekend. This can just... no. I don't remember how I have the error handling working for that, so let's go look at the Twitch handler. Do I even have error handling? No, I don't. I have 0 error handling, which is maybe not a good idea. It's been good. Banged out a big chunk of my final paper, which was chill. Now I'm doing that self-care stuff, like doing my hair. That is great to hear. I also banged out a pretty large chunk of whatchamacallit, of an essay. That's what they're called. Didn't want to, because it's boring to write, but I did it, so I'm proud of myself. I don't have any error handling. I really should do that. Webhooks. I even have... Beer Warhammer 40k martyr equals self-care. If that's how you want to take care of yourself, and that's how you enjoy having what doing on your weekend, yes, that is self-care. Doing what you enjoy is very much caring. Copy. I need to... Am I even using this stuff anywhere? Wait, yes, I am using log somewhere. It would be in the command handler. Are you changing your hair, Ray? When isn't she changing her hair? Is the real question. Like, it's almost like every stream she basically has different hair. It's like never the same. Called out hard, yeah. Let's be real, we all know that I call out Ray the most. I love that that's my legacy, yeah. Just each stream a different hairstyle. Let's get some error handling going, because I need that. Or I should have that. You do. Yeah, I do call you out a bunch. I call you out the most out of any of the mods. Especially with all of the quotes I add. So let's integrate error handling to this first, considering that's pretty much already done. Import log error from // utils. It would be webhook if I could type. That is there. Then I need to move this down so it fits in the order, because I like having my imports very pretty. Because I'm weird like that. Import log error. And then we will go try. And then boo. Oh wait, no. Bot.on message create try catch. Oh. Okay, that's handled already. So error handling in the Discord version is already done. So that's nice. So that just means I need to integrate it into the Twitch handler. Unless it's already done here too. No, it isn't, because this is the on message. Also, Ray, this little bit here, this little section here, auto adding of bits is what's coming in this section. I haven't done it yet, but soon. TM. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be great. That part I'm definitely gonna need your help to test, because I don't have bits. And I'm not paying for bits just to spam them to test it. If I had ad bits, I would, but I don't, so I'll probably definitely do that one on stream one time during Christmas break, because I have nothing better to do then. Try. This needs to get indented so that it actually matches. Catch error. So have you mainly ever only worked with Java Array, or have you worked with other stuff as well? I want to go to the Discord handler, so I can just copy paste this. Yeah, I can just copy paste this, because everything should be the same, except maybe like the source. Yeah, the source I need to change. Twitch. And some of the context stuff. Java is pretty much it. The school I go to makes you take a lot of math-based CS theory courses, so my actual coding knowledge is limited. Okay, that makes sense. I've also done Unity stuff, so I know some C++, some C#. Okay, cool. That is very good to know. I'm not sure why, but it is. I need to import this function, because I haven't imported it yet. I also need to fix the import order. Import log error from dots. Nope, not 3 dots, 2 dots. Utils. Webhook is the right file. See hashtag. It's very computer science and less actual coding. Okay, but I've absorbed none of it. So there's that. That is great, Ray. Okay, so this, I need to fix this stuff because this is being let, not var. and I need it to the nearest function scope, not block scope. But boy, do I try. I'm gonna get this minor if it's the last thing I do. Hopefully it's not the last thing you do. Because that would be unfortunate. What a way to go. I mean, there was one of these assignments this year which was making me want to go that way. It's like, spent probably about 20 hours trying to get it working. Still handed it in with errors in it. Yeah, I'm like, yeah. It's like, it's due, I can't do it. It's like, and of course my prof didn't respond to my email, so it's like, cool. And when he did finally respond to it, it was like, oh, you have an error in this function, and I'm like, okay, I know that already. Do you want to help me fix said errors? Or just tell me that I have it? Yeah, it's like, no shit, I have errors, I know where they're happening. And he's like, oh, you have it right here, but not here. And I'm like, yeah, I know, that's because when I tried to do it the way I have it in the comments, it doesn't work. Okay, so this is it would be message. It would be, oh wait, no, that would be context, or would it be message? I don't remember. Yeah, it would be context. Context. This one would just be message. Ismod is admin. This one will just be channel, because that's what I have it set to. Yeah, so that did not make me happy. Should I include the time in this? No, because I don't have the datetime object here. Username auth token, so this should work. I say should, but it's more like I hope. I'm not actually sure if it will, and I don't feel like having it throw an error just to find out. So we're gonna say it works and move on. So this function's done, so we can kill that. Discord handler. There's an error in here. Where? What a life motto. I relate. So it's saying there's an error here. It's saying there's an error somewhere here. Expression expected. Oh, I was not looking at the right spot. Response, that would be handle message with context. Channel is message dot. I don't know. We're just gonna go null for now. Level will be level. Message will be, what parameters do I have set? Message. Okay, so it's a message object. So message dot content. Why not? I think that's right. Message dot content. Yep. I don't need any of this stuff though, because that's all done in the command parser now. Message.content, let's trim white space from around it just in case. Source, this will be Discord as the source. This is not a test. User will be message dot author. I don't. Message dot member dot or author or member. Huh. Let's go author. Yes, I am speedrunning coding, which is why I put that tag there. I am trying to 100% the Discord parser, i.e. make it work. I high-key love it. I was thinking about using the any percent instead of 100%, but I'm like, maybe not. This would be Aristox. Internet, don't die on me. Okay, so it would be a message object and an author. Okay, so dot username is what I need. Dot username, comma, add quotes around that. Level cannot find. No, any percent coding sounds dangerous. Yeah, it does. This is irrelevant? Maybe? I'm not sure if I need this anymore. No. We can change this to message.content. Well, me experiencing 90% of my day. That's a mood. Also, when the song changes, do you guys see like a little pop-up? Actually, I just realized I have it on repeat 1. Whoops. Is this irrelevant? There. Now you guys should see it pop up when the song changes. The music is pretty quiet. Good to know. Whoa. Yeah, it's really pretty, right? Yeah, it's not actually made for Twitch, it's made for Mixer, but I'm hijacking it and injecting code to make it work on Twitch. Because I can, and I know the developer who made it, so like I moderate for them and help with their support chat. Yeah, it's really nice. I like it. I have no idea if I actually need that anymore. Yeah. I don't use most of the overlays, but he somehow asked me to help run support chat for him, and I'm like, sure, I can. I'm sure there's better people you could probably have do it, but okay. Let's go add a nicer function for Discord mod permissions. That's perms. So there's that. Add error handling to Twitch commands. Config add dev token for Discord. Okay, cool. I don't need the diff open. I really need to figure out if this is irrelevant or not. Am I doing something similar in Twitch's thing? Message.slice. Actually, the easiest way of doing this would be to go command handler, console.log, context dot. I keep hitting the wrong arrow key. Dot message. Oh, I need to cd to the right directory. Okay, cool. So let's clear that. Okay, let's increase the font set. Nope. What? Ow. View. Zoom in, control and plus. That's what I was hitting. So if we compile, it will error. I'm just gonna ignore the errors though. Because all of them are in Discord, none of them are in Twitch. So node dist main.js Twitch. This should work. Joining Alkali Metal. Okay, cool. Good. So if I do this, okay, cool. So that works. Perfect. And okay, so it does send the command prefix to the handler. Okay. Hey Ray, wanna see something cool? Run !admin space init. Like this. It's super cool. Just do it. But now, if I try it, technically you should be level 1. It errors sometimes a bit, because moderators should be counted as level 1. Admins are 2. So like if I run that, it will create a data file for my thing, meaning that technically exclamation level up. I only have the 2 commands in it, ping and admin in it right now. So that's like really cool. Or I guess I technically have this one, maybe? Command metadata, register command. So I guess I have this, except it won't work. Because it'll return no options in this channel. Actually, this would be a good time to test it. Options. No options in this channel. Hey! It worked first try! If this errors, it'll be like, hey, there's nothing here. So, and this one I know works. Then there's mod. Yeah, so those are the 3 commands I have added. So it definitely should show you as a mod. That's very interesting. Why isn't it? Services, Twitch. Nope, those are tests. On message, config.twitch.admin.includes context.username. Nope, context.mod. Context. I'm a fake mod in every channel I mod officially. I think I may need to fix this. Because right now, Twitch's mod detection is so gross. I don't like it. Like it's genuinely so inconsistent. So let's go context, and then let's restart the bot. Yes, I can see every message you're typing in my terminal. Come on, compile. I know there'll be errors. Discord handler, Discord, okay, they're all Discord, so I can ignore literally all of them and just proceed anyways. Hey Ray, can you send a command message, please? Yeah, it needs to be any message that starts with an exclamation point. Needs to start with an exclamation point. Oh, perfect. I haven't fixed it yet, I just needed this. Badges. Okay, cool, so there is a moderator badge. Oh, that's good. So for some reason it is showing mod as true, but it's not coming through as true. Context dot, not context, log, nope, context dot mod. Swear that I'm a good kid. TSC. Come on, compile. Those are all Discord, so I can ignore it and continue anyways. Can you send another exclamation message, please? What the heck? It's not it. It's saying you're it's saying you're a mod, but it's saying you're not a mod. Perm.mod from perm constants. I break? Yeah, apparently somehow. That's so weird. So basically, what I'm gonna try... Oh, I did? Oh. Am I echo? Do I echo still? Oh, it might have been because I had my hand over my mouth. Whoops. Is it still echoey? You broke. Ah, joy. I'll... Maybe? Is echo still bad? Maybe? Potentially? Filters. It might actually be from one of the filters I have on it. Still is echo, but not bad. Huh. That's annoying. Oh, okay, so it's just like mild reverb, I guess. Noise gate. It shouldn't be caused by that because that just stops audio. It might be due to that. No. This is... Okay. Well, that's weird. I don't feel like listening to the song at the moment. Let's go to this one. Okay. We're just going to make the moderator system not as weird. The context is Okay, so it's moderator fully. Moderator, if I could type, equals 1, false, and we will also go context.mod just to cover all of our bases. Should work. Let's go see. Recompile. Those are all Discord, so I can ignore them. Hey Ray, can you send an exclamation message again, please? Oh wait, actually, can you try the admin init command, please? Because then it'll show us your level. Because right now it's not. You are level 1. Perfect. That is what it should be. There we go. Now it's working. I just had to have redundancy. Good job, Alkali. Thank you. Don't want those anymore. Okay, so the Twitch handler should actually, let's, what did I change? Okay. Twitch handler. Add redundancy to the mod check. Okay, so that's commented. Yeah, I have 22 changes staged on my laptop locally right now that I haven't pushed to GitHub yet. There's my mouse. Change your life. Oh, it's so great. I haven't seen it, but I want to. I should show you guys the confirmations, because those are fun. Ping. Do I have... What version of this is on GitHub? Points counter. It would be in source. It would be under the development branch. It would be in commands, user, ping. Nope. Okay. Can I see a comment history for this? Don't judge my messages for doing stuff. Will do, Ray. Have fun doing your stuff. How short is shortest stream? Pretty much until I get the Discord handler working. Have fun with your stuff, Ray. Why were you wondering, iPie? And how are you? Yes. Gotcha. Let's go split so I can... Why were you wondering how short of a stream it's gonna be, iPie? Let's not replace the copyright message. Ooh, it did not like that. Because it's been roughly an hour since you posted the stream announcement to Discord, and I was wondering how... Oh, okay. It'll be going until I stop. I honestly have no idea how long that's going to be, so... Oh, that would be why it did it. Because for some reason it copied these as well. Why, I don't know, but it did. So did it do that elsewhere too? Yes, it did. That's annoying. It only did it there, though. And there. This is a weird song. Unreachable code detected. This can get deleted. The classic thing, TM until I am no longer doing the thing. Yeah, that's basically how this is. I don't want to edit this. Case sensitive. None of this has changed. Oh, whoops, that's both of them. Wait, what are TS files? TypeScript. So it compiles to JavaScript. So the TS files compile to these files, which is just JavaScript. Yeah, basically the thing which is appealing about TypeScript is it's type strict, meaning it's not disgusting. String void requires confirm, true, case sensitive, false. Level. What is it erroring about? Command metadata, optargs, and syntax. Oh, that's what it is. Optargs. 0. And then syntax is that, because I don't care about it. So basically what it does is we go TSC to compile it. Those errors are all irrelevant to what I'm doing, so I'm just going to ignore them. And then in theory, if we do this, it has confirmations, which in a ping command isn't all that useful, but it has a variety of different options. Because I felt like making a confirmation system one day, so I did. Well, no, on ping it wouldn't be valid, but like on ping it wouldn't actually have a confirmation. It's just the command I'm using to test everything. But like it'll be for like deleting data and stuff like that, is what the confirmation will be for. And the full yes or no commands will work, as well as just !y or !n, because regex is a wonderful thing. Because that is in utils command. That is this class right here. So this returns either peak definition, it confirm, deny, no match, expired, or invalid. So confirm is a positive confirmation, or like saying do it. Deny is a negative confirmation. No match means it doesn't match the command. Expired means the confirmation time limit has run out. And invalid, I don't remember what I use invalid for. I don't remember what I genuinely have invalid used for right now. Yes, invalid for invalid command. I think. Oh, right, yeah. Invalid is used for when it's the same user and channel, but but no command. So no match is when it's a command sent by a user in a different channel or a different user. Invalid is when those both match, but it's not yes or no. I remember what invalid is now. I mean, I could have just came down here and looked. Because this is all of the returns. now that I think about it, this should definitely be first. Because I don't want expired commands sitting in the array forever. If I could type. So if I were to ping chat, what about it? Someone else wouldn't be able to run yes or no for me, no. If that's what you're thinking. Because I'm not accepting timeout, or, make them sit in the array. That is their punishment, eternal waiting. No! Because then if people don't confirm their messages, it would just die. Like, the array would just get so long. It wouldn't be good. Also, the moment they tried to run any command in that channel, it would just invalidate it and get it removed anyways, so. Like, if you ran the ping and just sat there not letting it, not confirming it, it would just, the moment you ran the next command, the confirmation would come before it. So the confirmation checking comes before even the cooldown checking. So it would error out regardless. It does not equal no match. Yeah, it doesn't do that. It just, the regex for it is, nope, I'm on command. It's this. So, it's not each character is optional. It's either uppercase or lowercase y, and then yes or no yes, or s. And same with no. I don't know why I put the O in a surrounding group. I need to go command, comment that, change order of response of return checking. It never returned Pong though. That's because it needs to match fully. It won't, it doesn't just, so the caret means it starts at the front of the message. The, the thing, the $sign means it goes at the end. Yeah, that too. So right now I have everything set to, I can't show you guys the config, but I have it set to, I think I have it set to, yeah, you have to have it do you do, yeah. I think. Should. Let me just check the config quickly. No, I'm not showing you guys the config because it has OAuth tokens in it. I know Chicken doesn't know what to do with an OAuth token, but I know iPie does. Oh, so I have it set to service cooldowns. So what it, yeah, so it'll trigger invalid. But because you weren't the one which triggered it, it wouldn't do. So my cooldown type right now is service. So it's this. So you need to have at least 3 seconds between each command call. Otherwise it won't work. And that's just to prevent spamming and duplicate command creation for like the same thing. I do also have global cooldown, which applies regardless of service. And then there's also command cooldowns, which are per command. So yeah, that's a thing. And typically, oh, I have 2 import perms. Typically, you wouldn't get a message for expired or invalid. You'd only get one for confirm or deny. I just have the expired and invalid there for testing purposes, just so I can see that it's actually happening. And no match doesn't call this. Also, don't judge me for having the Green Eggs and Ham theme song on my playlist. I need to check to make sure. Oh, my log channel is gonna be spammed. Yeah, my log channel is spammed. So, like, this is my log channel. So I can see all commands which are ran and their result. So yeah, that's fun. I should shift this date down. Also, this is getting spammed. Ping. Channel iPie for fun. Wait. How is that in your channel? Yeah. iPie, how is that in your username? Wait, what? Is that in your channel, iPie? How is it in your channel? Yeah, that's fine. It shouldn't be in your channel. What? Oh, it's Whisper. It's a Whisper. That's why. That makes sense. Because it says, okay. So, iPie, just as a heads up. Wait, does it really? I mean, probably, yeah, because it doesn't it probably doesn't care about that it's a whisper. It probably just ignores it and reads it as if it was a channel. I need to fix that. That's something I need to fix. Because that shouldn't work. That shouldn't do anything. Okay, so this is irrelevant. So I finally figured out after like 20 minutes, like half an hour, that is irrelevant and I don't need it. Level is not getting set anywhere, so we need to go var level equals 0 if is mod level equals perm dot mod. Actually, we want this to be perm dot all, so that if I decide to change which amount it is, it's fine. So if is admin level perm dot admin, because we want it to be the permission correctly. So we will go import perm from // constants. Okay, so now I need to figure out where this Twitch handler channel detection is coming from. Context.log, not context. I keep doing that wrong. Context. Okay, TSC, so let's compile it. Nope, it was dead when you sent that. Hey iPie, can you DM the bot a message, please? Yeah. I'm not sure if that means EK. So it still goes badges. Message type whisper. Okay, that's what I need. Copy. Can you actually, I can try doing that this way. Ping message type chat. Okay, so I can just ignore it if message type does not equal the chat. Else if... Yeah, I haven't fixed it yet. And yes, I can currently see your DMs with the bot, so... Pong expired. Chat type... Where is it? Oh no, it's message type. If message type does not equal chat. I feel like listening to a Hyper song with this. Do. Yes. Do. Okay, cool. So now that I have a good song playing, okay, so that is happening, so return. I don't want it to say anything. Not moat. No, note. Ensure text channel, not whisper or anything else weird. Don't need 2 lines in between each of those. Did I change anything else? Nope. Cool. So if we go to here, TSC, then if we run the node, okay, iPie, can you try DMing the bot something? Want me to do the thing? Yes. Ping didn't respond. Perfect. So that means that that's working, so change order of return checking for expired. I should probably actually comment those changes to a handler. Ensure bot doesn't respond to DMs. Cool. I can't see what you're saying. Yes, send message pulls bot rules. No, it's not allowed anymore. Okay, cool. So that actually fixes that, which is an error with the first bot. So that's fun. Okay. Because I did not have that with the first bot at all. That should just be nothing. GG Alkali. Yeah, thanks. Fixing stuff every day. And I probably wouldn't have figured that out if it had not been for iPie, because I wouldn't have thought to DM the bot at all. And I just kind of thought it wouldn't send that event for DMs. But apparently it does. Okay, so that's that. iPie MVP. Yeah. iPie is a good person. Ready, connected to Discord gateways, message create, discriminator equals 0, So that's... Wait, what? I wasn't paying attention, I heard my name. Thank you for trying to DM the bot, because I wouldn't have tried that. And it's something which shouldn't have been allowed to do. And in V2 of the bot, it actually will also still break it. So don't do that, chicken, because you're the only person who knows where V2 is hosted. Or is active, I should say. Okay, so I guess now it means time to test Discord. Okay, so that's the dev token. So if we go here, okay, well, excellent. I mean, even if you did, it wouldn't really change much. It would just send a message into your server. Because or not your server, your channel. Let's quickly test to make sure that everything is still working. Oh. 2 tests, both of which are pong or ping, so... Oh, wait. Cannot load data for this channel, make sure it's been initialized. Expected. Wait, what? Test 9? Test 9 doesn't have anything to do with that. Utils, tests, 9, options, not exists. What did it return? Oh! It returned... Okay. I see what went wrong there. Wait, which Discord bot is this? It will be logging in under, You don't need to... Please confirm your action, but... I don't know what that means. Oh, yeah, I see what you mean. It will be the testing bot account. So many log entries. Gotcha. So yeah, it will be in the public channel, whereas most of the time I test it in secret testing. Let's log. Oh, hello, chicken. Nice. Okay, let's open the server. I don't remember if I broke anything since compiling last, so I'm just gonna do it again. Node dist main.js, and we will run Discord. Connected to Discord gateways. Okay. So far, so good. Ping pong. Yes, ping confirmed. Perfect. Oh no. These errors are fun. You don't mind to join your Discord? Oh yeah, no. No. If I mind, I wouldn't have the link public. So, completely fine. I sent the bot a DM. Did you... Why? Actually, that shouldn't... No, that actually won't break anything with this one, because I already accounted for DMs in the Discord one. I don't want to listen to this song. Next. Actually, no, that last one was good. Haha, shit went down. Yeah. I don't even remember where. This is my kind of error message. Yeah. I think that's in the webhook. I'm like pretty certain that's in the webhook. Yeah, because that's error posting to the Discord webhook. I don't know what would be causing it though. I should probably log it to find out. Error dot, nope. Error dot message. Twitch is not currently active. Because whichever one I specify on the command line, it only runs those ones. Because I planned ahead for that. So like if I went Discord, Twitch, then it would. Though if you include one like test, then it won't, because test has a higher priority than Discord and Twitch combined, which will, and test is a stopping one, so it won't actually cause anything else to proceed past it. And silent is just a boolean for test. Okay. Error dot message. Actually, I should just be able to go like error if I could type. Might help if I compiled it before doing that. Hey, iPie, wanna try breaking the bot again how you did last time? That caused the shit went down errors? Yep, cool. 'Cause right now, I don't know what's causing it. Connected to Discord gateways. Did you just, like, DM it before to try and break it? Ooh, con confirmed. Okay. Oh shit, that shows the webhook. Okay. So it's definitely erroring. I don't want you guys to see the webhook, because that gives you 400, bad request. Okay. So that gives me information to use. So that means that I'm... Yep, so it's just the normal ping command. Starwoo Valley counter will respond with the normal ping command. The testing bot will return the newer ping command. I also can't have you guys see that URL, because that's a private URL. But yes, it should just be the normal ping command as what is in Twitch. But something is going wrong, which is causing it to error, because that is what's happening here. I know what it is. It is this stuff going poorly, so it's constructing the array incorrectly. No. It ran out of space. It only has that now. Gross. Okay, console log error. I'm not sure exactly what's causing that, because I should be this correct body. Okay. Connected to Discord gateways. If we go, I'm gonna quickly hide the Starwoo bot from this. So read messages, save, just to make it. Okay, so. No. Pong expired. Wait. That should not have worked. that definitely should not have worked. Right now, all of the stuff is going poorly. Oh, I know why. Because I'm not using the updated error handling stuff. Or the updated syntax. This one's still working, which is good. Okay, so if we just go, I don't need this to open. New file, temp.json. That did not do what I wanted it to. Delete. New file, temp.json. And shit continues to go down. Yep! Pretty much. Is there a prettifier? Control-Shift-I. There we go. Okay, so embeds, content, log entry. So this should be correct. Confirmation case. Embed visualizer. Webhook mode, yes. Control V. Ah! Okay. So it's sending. Why is null? Value.fields 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's showing those, it's sending those through as Boolean values. So that's why those are incorrect. So that means that I need to go and so that would probably be in the Discord handler. In not these. Not there either. Where is this error coming from? Maybe the command handler? Yep. The command handler. Thanks for sitting through this with me, you guys. Considering this is just a whole lot of errors. Context.channel should be a string, but it's coming through as null. So that means that it's originating from this. Oh, it's coming through as null because it is null. That's been quite entertaining and interesting. Well, I am glad I have been entertaining. Thank you. That is the goal. So message.channel? Maybe? God, this is blinding. Message dot channel text channel dot channel dot name. Yep, wrong thing. Message dot channel dot name. What happened there? Yeah, okay. I don't care what Jonah said right now. Okay, so that should now be a string. This will still be an integer. Wait, no, that does need to be an integer. test is a boolean. It never gets read though for the context. Okay, so that should now not invalidate those. But that was working when I was doing the Twitch ones. Why wasn't it working when I was doing the Discord ones? Oh, wait, was I logging? Yeah, I was, because I was sending them. There's no way it wasn't logging. I was definitely logging. I don't know why it just started erroring, though. So, let's go and... Oh my god, iPie, have you been spamming the bot the entire time I've been fixing it? Because there was a lot of errors when I went back to my terminal. No, like, he might not have been, but it sure seemed like it. So you were okay. That's fine. Oh, yep, there's the errors. There's the messages, I mean. The summer bee. Every time I continue upon the vulnerable. Ping command. True, level 2, bot testing, alkali metal, platform, Discord, yes, Pong, true. Oh, that's gonna be annoying. There's... So they both originate from Discord, but the casing is different. Why? That's so annoying. Yeah, so it works up here. So I think it might have just been me sending null that broke it. Because I don't think Discord liked that. Understandably so, considering it was an invalid data type. So let's try recompiling and seeing if that fixes it. Node dist. The confirm won't work, so don't try confirming it. Pong denied. Did that log correctly? Ping. Okay, cool. So that means that Cool! That means that's working. Also, I don't like how squished these get. It's so gross. Oh, don't try it. Yeah, don't try it. Though it was a bit too late at that point, so it's not a big deal. It ignores it doesn't ignore new lines, iPie. I maybe should have it ignore new lines, though. Because you can actually have new lines in Discord. Let's go Discord handler. First, let's comment the... Oh, I didn't change the command handler. Yeah, no, let's revert those. Discard changes. That's as good enough as an error message. Don't need that, so that can be discarded. Discord handler. I may have not commented anything for this yet. Add Discord handler. So we don't want to look at that. We don't want to look at that. What was I looking for? Right. Dot trim. Dot replace. No. We want /n global with blank. Or no, should it be space? How's the weather been treating you at? Actually pretty good so far. We don't have too much snow left on the ground, so right now it's pretty much just like a bit of ice on like the rarer areas, like where water pools. And other than that, it's like pretty free of snow, and I'm happy about it. So, actually pretty good for now. Will it stay that way? Unlikely. Because it's... Oh, shit, it's actually... What? It's late December, and there's not late December. I promise I know what time of the year it is. It's like late November, and we don't have a lot of snow. Oh, man. How do people not believe in climate change? Like, how? I don't get it. Like, I'm sorry, but like last year by this time we had like, for you Americans out there, like 3 feet of snow, if not more. Like, it was ridiculous. Or for you people who know actual units of measurement, like, we had like a meter of snow last year at this point. It's like, what? No thank you. Imagine snow. I don't need to imagine it. It's cold outside, therefore it's not true is the worst idea out there. Yeah, that's why it's... like... That's why I don't like people when people refer to it as, like, climate change, or not climate change, global warming, because it's not warming everywhere. It's like, no, it's just accelerated change in the climate. It's like... It bothers me. It's one of my biggest pet peeves is when people say global warming versus climate change. Also, my calculus professor just sent me an email 9 minutes ago, like to the entire class. It's 11:30 when he sent it. Not 11:30, 10:30, sorry. Bit of a difference there. So it's like, I mean, thanks. Global temperature whackage. Yeah, see, that's a good term for it. That is a great term, iPie. I like it. A solid 10 out of 10. Okay. Okay. Did you... Hey, iPie? Did the bot respond? Actually, I can just try that. Testing bot. Message. Yeah. Ignore me. Ping. Okay, cool. It ignores me. That is what I wanted. I think that's the Discord parser done. I think it is. Minus needing to add the copyright notice at the top. G. No, it ignores DMs. Yeah, I forgot that I had that in the last one too, to where it ignores the DMs. It's the 23rd today. Because of this line. Because it ensures guild text, not just any text. Add Discord handler. So, that's the Discord handler done. Let's do one command, I think. Yeah, let's do a command. Let's revert the changes to ping so the tests don't fail for it. Oh, I also made like pretty documentation for it. I just need to find it. File desktop coding. Let's go to that folder, docs. So like, I made pretty help for it. Right now, this is about as good as it gets, but I made help. Requires confirm false. Ooh, yeah, I like it. It's pretty. And it required no styling on my part. Like, that is this. Like, the styling is pretty much just that line. And I didn't need to write any of it because it's all written for me. It's like, yay, thank you. Makes my life easier. Because CSS is a pain in the buttocks. And there'll even be like nice help for each command. It's gonna be it's gonna be great. So like if we go here, like this is just like the test one. CSS is the big suck. Yeah. So like this is gonna be like the command and like actual like configuration settings that are set and then the values they have. And I'm gonna try and get it to where this is automatically compiled via the, if we go to the main file, via the compile docs flag, or option. So yeah, as you can hear or see, we exit the process after the testing concludes, meaning if you include these flags, it doesn't work. And then I have like argument parsing here if it errors. So like, let's say we just tried to do that. It dynamically tells you where to go to get help, and it's great. I love it. I'm so happy with how this is turning out. Okay. Chicken, what command do you think I should work on? Because you know the commands I have already in the full bot, I think. I think you know. I don't know. Because... yes, for Starwoo. Change and do not require confirmation message. Honestly, I don't know why I have that. I think just for information. Oh wait, actually, I know what we're gonna do. It's not a command. Not really sure. That's fine. I figured out something else that I need to do. So... Okay, so right now, syntax is forced, but we have all of the parts where we can just kind of make it. So we want to get rid of that, and then go, if, so this dot syntax equals the config. Okay, bye iPie, have fun. I'm just probably gonna finish up this bit of code and then I'll be done too. Yeah, I have lots of fun friends in my Discord. It's not very active, but it's fun when it is. This dot syntax. I need the config. Let config equals load config. And then this will be config dot bot dot prefix. And then if this dot group this dot syntax add this dot group. So right now, chicken, what I'm doing, just so you're aware and not just sitting there in the dark, I don't, but pet pictures are always welcome to be posted in general, because I love them so much I couldn't separate them from everything else. How did you know I'm in the dark? If I had to guess, probably because you mentioned that you didn't understand anything when I was talking about the Twitch parser earlier. Yes, pet pictures are always welcome. And I know people in there who will always enjoy pet pictures too, so. So basically what I'm doing is I am making it so like, what happens is actually, let's use a command which actually exists. Points add amount int target string donator string. So basically what this is called is like command syntax, and it's just a quick overview of how a command works. So basically it has a few parts. The prefix, which is what you use to tell the bot that it's a command. Then there's the group part of it, which is like the main part of the command. Then there's the name of the command, which is like the subcommand, so it'll be like points add, points remove. And then there's the arguments, so anything which the user supplies which isn't set in stone. Basically, what I was having to do is I would be giving the bot this, so I would be giving it the exact string of it before. It would actually be that. So I didn't like doing that because it's very annoying to have to type out all of that, especially when all of that already has to be typed out. So what I'm doing is this code here is going to automatically generate this, if that makes sense. Basically meaning I have to do less work by doing a little bit more work now. Then this dot syntax. So like this, nice, optimization. Yeah, so this part here is adding the syntax, so I'll just go like here and put what it's adding from the command, or from the example I gave. And then plus equals, I need a space there. This dot name, I need a $sign. So this would be add, and then this dot syntax plus equals. This dot arglist dot join, and then this would be Why does that error? String has no call signatures. Arglist should not be a string. Arglist should be a list of strings. What happens if I do that? So this dot arglist dot join. So if I go like that, actually I can just add this to here, and then that'll do the same thing as putting a space before the commands. And then this will add all of these. So basically, it's just a very fancy way of making this without needing to type. So note, create syntax dynamically. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. And that's just the, because I'm lazy, pretty much. So then this dot, so that should work. So the reason I'm doing this longer statement here for the group name, or for the group, is because not every command has a group. So if we go to look at the ping command, you'll see that there is no group name here, but if we go to the init data file, there is a group here, which is admin. So not, and like this is how I would write the syntax previously. So what this means is I can go and delete that. This will error until I go and change the command metadata to have syntax not exist on it. Because that's how I was structuring it before. Then here it'll error because that exists. So like here you see that I have group set to null, which is the same thing as it just being not existent to the start. Because this question mark means I don't need it. It means it's questionable on whether it's there or not. So pretty much what I want to do now is check to see if the stuff still exists. So this can be updated to 23. Oh, nope. 23. Then init data file. If you have any questions about anything that you see, don't be afraid to ask. I'm very willing to explain stuff. It's just certain things I won't actually explain because it's either just not something I would typically explain, but yeah. So that should be update code to generate syntax of commands dynamically, not statically. Oh, I don't care about the character limit. Leave me alone. Command metadata, ping options. So those got committed. Thanks, I'm honestly just enjoying seeing your process. It's very efficient. Aw, thanks, chicken. It's nice having someone to talk to, because typically I talk to myself when coding anyways, so... This just means that I'm not actually talking to myself, I'm just talking to a bunch of friends. So, that is... Nope, can't click that. I very much cannot click that file, because that would not be great. Wait. Yeah. Type services. So there's this, which I'm like mildly contemplating doing, but Mixer's chat is very shit, and I don't want to deal with it, so like it's very much on something that I'm not intending on doing, but I might. Then let's kill those files. And then the test runner, basically this just makes sure all of my code. Do you stream on Mixer? No. I have some friends that do, so I watch Mixer occasionally, but I don't really use it because they've really started making decisions that I don't like, so I try not to support them anymore. But that's just my personal preference. Them as a platform are still, like, okay. I just don't really like them. Like, before it was Mixer, it was very good. I loved the platform. But since Microsoft bought them, everything has gone downhill in my opinion. So yeah, I've just chosen to avoid it when possible. Like you see the, like, song pop up on my screen, which it probably is right now. That is actually made for Mixer. Yeah, they do. Yeah, so the pop-up is actually made for Mixer, but, I know the person who wrote it, so I run support for him. So I have access to all of the overlays anyways, and I was like, hey, this one will work with Twitch anyways, so I might as well use it for when I'm streaming. So yeah. And it's really cool. It's a nice, like, fancy overlay, so yeah. That's why I have that. So there is... It's so cool you can just make that happen with your skills. It I didn't actually make the change happen with that one. That one, it's just like a copy-paste website. So like if I go to show it, yeah, no. As long as I don't show. So like, this is pretty much what it is. So it's this. So, like, it's just like copy a link, and then it shows up. It doesn't really, like, I just have access to all of them, so. This one, so like, if I just go here, like, it's just a website, so, it just works. Yeah. And then me and him are gonna look at maybe integrating a Twitch chat handler to it so you can run exclamation song and see what song. Because the chat overlay does connect to my Mixer chat, so like if we go to, yeah, here, if we go mixer.com/here, yes, oh, if we go like this, it'll actually show the overlay again, even in the middle of the song. But right now it only connects to Mixer's chat, so what I'm working on doing is getting the Twitch chat handler into the overlay injected, but I don't know how to do that right now, so I'm working with the developer of it to get that working. because I moderate for him and he has me doing support stuff, so he's like, if this were anyone else, I'd be like, can you not? But because it's you, I'm fine with it. And I'm like, yes. So yeah, I like it. It looks good. Even if I don't get the handler in it for the chat, it still looks good, and it is cleaner than having it like always up. And it works with like everything from like all of the services like like YouTube Music, Google Play, Spotify. Like right now I'm using Spotify with it. 'Cause I can. I don't want to listen to this song. Let's find another song to listen to. I have a lot of music. There's so much. I can tell. Yeah. This playlist is 500 songs at 29 hours. Let's find some Xero. Avicii, Xero. My Own Way's a fun song. Yeah, as I said, I have a lot of music. To say the least, I get the $4.99 worth of Spotify Premium within like the hour. So it's very worth it for me. Like, even if I had to pay the $9.99, I would. Okay, let's work on a command. Let's do the version command quickly. So basically it's just gonna be a copy-paste. Oh yeah, definitely. So let's just go version. And it is just today. We don't need confirms from it. Basically, what we are going to do is go let config equals load config, and then return bot version, and then config dot bot dot version. Tells you the version of the bot you have. Ping command, let's not do that. Let's go version command. Version command requires confirm false, case sensitive false. Name version optional large perm dot all. Version metadata. Version metadata. I actually think I have that set. Const metadata. Actually, I just have it set to metadata. Let's change it to that. So that should be another command done. So let's go and test this. So tsc. Oh wait, nope. That is not right. That will not work. Command handler need to come down here and go import / commands user version. Now it will work. TSC again, because I have to recompile. -- Twitch. Ta-da! That is a full command written in like not even a few minutes. Yeah. Though I just realized I still have it printing the context somewhere. Which I don't want. Not the test runner. Twitch. Yep. Because that's annoying. Add version command, and that is command handler and version. Remove gross log statement. So now, yeah, so that's a full command done. What's another easy command? Oh man, I have a lot of tabs open. That can die. Okay, so then let's go. Yep. I still have so many windows open. Okay. Let's kill the mixer one I have because I don't need that. I don't need that. Don't need that. Right. Nope. Oh, that's the wrong URL. This is the right one. Not quite. Okay, so help. Sure. The help command won't take long. Twitch, command handler version, help.ts. So we can basically just copy paste this because that's pretty much what it is. Takes you to the help page for the bot. Help command requires confirm. Help perm.all. Help page. Help command. And this one will instead be config.website. Cool. So not quite ready yet. What I want to do is actually expand on this a bit more and say let response equals that, and then if args response plus equals that commands command slash that arg0. So what this should do is allow you to get help for a specific command as well as general help. In theory. So I need to test this. So if we go to help.ts, command handler, yep, all of that stuff is there. Don't need that open. We need the command handler though. Yep. Import /commands user help, and this line can be moved up there. or here even. And then let's grab the terminal. Let's compile it so that it'll work. And then let's do this. It's joined. So let's go help. Nope. That did not work. If args dot length does not equal 0. I was really hoping that args would be a Boolean-y value, or a false-y value, I mean. So if we recompile, node help ping, ta-da! So now it will return a help page for a specific command as well, rather than just everything specifically. So that's super useful. Yeah, I'm pounding out these commands. The bot or a specific command. That also in theory means you can go help. Using the help command to get help for the help command. Meta help. So we can go add help command. Yeah, helpful. Command handler, this does, okay, yeah, that only has that. Cool. So now what I'm going to do is write tests for all of these, or for the commands I've added so far. The tests, what they do is they're a bunch of data which, when you use it, like, so when I tell the bot to run the tests, what it does is it checks all of these commands for errors. So I specify what it should get back from the command handler, and then what it might return is wrong. So it'll tell me if, when I make changes to like the command handler or service handlers, whether there's errors, or no, not service handlers, just the command handlers. It doesn't care about service handlers because it doesn't check those. It only checks the commands. So basically what this does is if I change one of like the already existing commands, it just makes sure that I don't break it. Which is super useful. Ignores. So we can just delete that. So if we go here, if we go version, perm.all, this should be AB. So if we go here, it should return bot not spelled wrong, bot version, config.bot.version. So the reason I'm specifying the bot version itself is so I don't need to come back in here and edit it every time I update the version number, because that would be annoying. The source doesn't really change much. It changes absolutely nothing, actually. Because right now I don't have anything which changes based off of the source, but I should be doing that sometime. I don't want to listen to the song. That is... Skip. Oop, that's a good song. Okay, so this should work. Let's check the website, or the help command as well, because gotta keep that going. .help, we should also check the version command with a non-help all level. This should return bot help with config.bot, or no, config.website. So again, I'm using the config value there to make sure that it doesn't error. The IDs are just an identifier for me, so I don't go looking through 1,000 lines for something like halfway through, and so I can search and find it. I'm just using hexadecimal, so that'll increment to 0010 next. So it'll be help, let's say help /command/help. So that should be there. And let's say that's admin, why not? Just to mix things up a bit. Perm.all help ping. Yep. Did not want that. Help ping. Okay, so now if we go to here, we can recompile, and then we can run node dist main.js test silently. 3 tests failed out of 16. So that means that some of my code is not returning what it should. So let's remove silence. Oh, that's because I changed it from bot help to help page. So that was just me not actually checking what English I had it set to, because I initially did have it set to bot help. But then I remember now that I changed it to help page because it wasn't always the bot help specifically. So, yeah. The joys of testing. So if we recompile, and then we test, none of our tests failed. We have 100% passage rate. So what that means is that all of the commands are working as we expect them to. So, pretty much what it means is if we like go to yeah, exactly. 100%. 100%ed. But like, let's say we change that to remove it. World record. I mean, for this bot, yes, it is. Because no one else has done this. I have the world record and personal best. So if we do that, you see now it errors when you try to use the help ping command. I just realized I have 2 tests with the same ID. So like, it should expect one with the proper URL, but it returned one without it. So it tells me there's an error there and where to find it. So that's the joys of tests. FD, so no, this should be 10 now. So now, if we compile again, and do that, 0 tests out of 16 failed. So, that is good. That means that my demonstration was correct, and the demonstration helped me find an error with the IDs, so pretty good. Add tests for help and version. Okay. So that is 2 commands added, 1 command handler done. I think that's where I'm gonna end the stream tonight. This has been actually so much fun. We got a lot done. And a lot distracted, too, but a lot done. So, this can actually be updated. So I should probably add that. Increment date in header. Yes, it was fun, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. I hope you guys did as well. I know I will definitely be doing more of these in the future, because this was fun. Maybe not in November again, because I have finals coming up at the start of December. I just needed a break today, and I was like, hey, I'm gonna write some code anyways, so let's try to stream it and see how that goes. And it came out so great. Thank you, Chicken. I should do well on most of them, hopefully. Yay. Yay, Ray. Have a good rest of your night, Chicken, and have a good time zone to anyone else who may be lurking in the chat, wherever you may be in the world. I will see you guys some other time.